My God, man, Armageddon comes to Texas today in the form of tornado warnings. And snow, but we'll talk about it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see if this tornado warning in that red box is still active by the time we get back. So, my name is Haley. This is the Armageddon Report because it's 2012. Armageddon is surely coming this year. You know, we keep putting it on the calendar and we keep hoping, or, not hoping. It depends on whether you've got business interests and there being some Armageddon. 116 earthquakes in the past 24 hours. Strongest one, 6.6 in the Santa Cruz Islands. Give you some context, some visual context. And of course, well, no one, it either was not felt or just was not reported. It was, that's fairly deep. I've seen deeper, right? 300 kilometers, I've seen something like that. Anyway, 6.6, so no one has reported it to the USGS. Doesn't mean that no one felt it. High temperatures today. Look at that. That's just, I don't know. I'm trying to make a Rorschach out of it. I'm not sure what I'm seeing. I'm seeing colors. Yeah, a whole bunch of them. And of course, we've got some nice warmness there, but that's also where the tornado warnings are. Low temperatures overnight. Look at that. Must be nice to be in Louisiana or Florida, except for the humidity, right? Otherwise, they have some nice overnight temperatures. Active severe warnings. Here in Texas, we have tornado-related stuff and winter-related stuff, which must mean there's some kind of cold front or warm front apparently going through. So here's your heavy snow as possible in Texas. And over here, there could be a tornado. So we'll look at some of the other stuff. Green, I think, is flash flood. Yes. Flash flood watch or flood warning or flood advisory. Look at that. They're basically the same color. I personally can't tell the difference. Winter weather advisory? Yes! Apparently somewhere there was freezing fog. We don't know where, though. That's probably air. Nope, dense fog advisory. It can also be, I think that's also the color of the air stagnation. Ooh, dual pole radar upgrade at high top continues. I think that was for better detection of stuff. Yeah, that was helpful. Hey, let's click on it real quick and see if it gives us a headline. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, no. Why upgrade? By compare the power target, blah, 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 blah. Glean information such as the size, shape, and composition of precipitation particles. Does that mean that there's a huge flock of birds that they can actually pick out, oh, it's this breed of bird because we identify the shape of the body of the bird? Because, birds do get picked up on radar. Anyway. So here's today's lovely map. So there's the heavy snow area. But what we move on to is here, where it's kind of confusing somewhat. We've got a 15% chance of winds and hail and a 5% chance of a tornado. So here's what's all happening today. Here is the specific chance, the 15% area of severe wind. There'll be 58 miles per hour or greater. Hail that's 1 inch or larger, 15% area there, 5% around it. And here's the 5% chance of a tornado with the 2% chance surrounding it. And let's see, there's often not a storm report to look at. So we've got the wind and some hail and not enough context to even tell where it is. Houston, looks like. Yeah. Anyway, so that's where it's been, and then about there is where the tornado warning is. Let's see if this still says it's active. Nope. What about over here? Nope, the tornado warning is gone. Doesn't mean that it won't come back, I don't. Well, not that one, obviously. Storms are always moving. Anywho, tomorrow we've got a slight risk again. Let's see if I can make this slightly easier to see. Here is the slight risk area. Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana. Fantastic or not, depending on your perspective. So here's the breakdown of where the severe weather probability exists. 15% there, and then 5% surrounding it. And then we even have, let's see, day 3. That's where your 5% chance exists, at least as of now. So we'll keep an eye on that. So as we have verified now, there are no tornado warnings anymore at the moment, but severe thunderstorms, those can still be quite deadly. So if you are in the Texas area or just anywhere in those general areas, you should pay attention. Let's go back to today. Nope. Go back. There we go. If you are in one of these general areas, you should keep an eye out at WickedWix and your local weather thing. Weather.gov is how you can get there. Or go to WickedWix. It's WICKEDWX.com. And yeah, I don't know how to end it. Just pay attention. Pay bloody attention, will you? And I hope we don't all die by tomorrow, given that it is 2012 and all. Anyway, have fun.